years old.
First of all, I would like to congratulate myself for going to the semi-finals. If you don't understand, here's the thing. Hanky's president's speech is going on. That's right, I am in Hanky's president's speech 2019. For the semi-finals, I'm going to talk about how to make a difference in poverty. Did you know that nearly half the world's population lives in poverty? 1 billion children worldwide live in poor conditions. Poverty leads to families not having a home, limited access to hospitals, and neighborhoods that are not safe. Children living in poverty are at higher risk for stress, anger, and depression. Poverty also affects children's schools and the education they receive. Children living in poor communities also have a higher chance for health problems. This includes injuries, obesity, and diseases like asthma. All over the world, many kids are trying their best to help people in poverty. For example, at a young age, Hannah saw a homeless person eating out of the garage. After seeing this, she created a non-profit business to help the poor and homeless. A New York girl realized that a pair of shoes could change a person's life forever. So she set a goal to give thousands of shoes to people in need around the world. Please join me to reduce poverty and change the fate of millions who are less fortunate than us. Nelson Mandela once said, "Do not look the other way, do not hesitate. Recognize that the world is hungry for action, not words. Act with courage and vision."